In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read comments on Substack as a newsletter creator. There are two ways to do this, so let's get started with the first method, using your activity notifications. Start by opening Substack in your browser and signing into your account. Wait a moment until the left navigation panel fully loads, showing Home, Activity, Explore, Profile, and Create. Once you see those options, click Activity in the left navigation. This opens your full activity feed, where Substack collects all your recent notifications in one place. Scan through the activity list and look for a notification that says someone commented on your post or replied in a discussion. When you spot one, click that comment notification directly in the activity list. Substack will then open the related post, the comment thread, or the specific comment detail. Now, if you land on the main post instead of the comment thread itself, simply click View Comments, located just under the post title. This will bring up the full list of reader responses. Read through the visible comment cards in the list, taking in what your readers have shared. Next, try to type a reply into the comment box to test the response field. Then, look carefully for the author label shown next to your own replies. This label helps you and your readers quickly tell which replies came directly from the newsletter creator. Now let's move on to the second method, opening comments from a specific post page. Begin by opening the published Substack post URL that already has comments on it. Once the page loads, scroll down till you reach the section called Discussion about this post, which sits right under the post title. From there, click Comments under Discussion about this post to open the full thread. With the thread now open, look toward the top to find the comments count, which tells you how many responses the post has received. Then begin reading through the comment cards one by one, paying attention to both the reader names and the actual comment text. If you want to respond to any specific comment, use the reply label found just under that comment to open a response field. And that's it. The post's comments thread is now open, the comments count is clearly visible, and the reader comments are readable on screen. If the newsletter creator has replied to anyone, those replies will be marked with an author label, making them easy to identify at a glance.